Hey guys, as you can see right here, I got a huge Nike ACG box. A lot of stuff from the fall and winter season. But before I get to unboxing part, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, that's about it, and let's get to the unboxing part. So with that being said, the first item is this Nike ACG t-shirt. Sorry that it's a bit wrinkled. I went to work with it and I put it in laundry, but I took it out just to do this video. So anyways, this shirt is just a basic gray and orange striped t-shirt. What's so special about it is that it fits boxy, nice and boxy, so I sized down to a size medium. I'm usually a size large. And another feature that I like about this shirt is the Nike ACG logo on the left chest. As you can see right there, it's a vintage logo that Nike brought back to the line, which is super cool in my opinion. There's not much to say about this shirt other than the material is very thick and nice, which I like personally. Also, the collar is very tight around your neck, which is another thing I like about t-shirts as well. The fit of this shirt is what really made me purchase it, because it's very boxy and that's what I'm into at the moment. The next item I got in this haul is this thermal long sleeve with the hood. And what's so nice about the hood is that it turns into a balaclava, and you can cover your face whenever it's windy outside. Another thing that I like about this long sleeve is that it has thumb holes in the cuffs, and also as you can tell that it's a little bit faded and it has this very grungy look to it. And this, I believe, is an object dyed garment. Basically, object dyed is when a garment is made and then dyed after it's been sewn and put together. So that's why it gives it this like discoloration and splotches around the garment, and this like vintage type look, which I'm really into. And also I took a really nice picture with this. If you want to see how I styled it, I'm gonna pop the picture up here. Go follow me on Instagram if you're interested as well. And yeah, that's about it for this one right here. The third item I got in this Nike ACG haul is this Nike ACG hoodie in blue, and you can see the logo right here is in yellow. Now this hoodie is super cool in my opinion. It's a nice boxy and cropped fit. Now I sized down to a size medium. I'm usually a size large because the size large was super oversized, and I'm not really into that at the moment. Now this still fits oversized, however it keeps the nice shape to it, and you will see what I mean by that in the B-roll footage, of course. So the notable features about this hoodie is that right here, as you can see, instead of drawstrings, it has these two toggles in the front to tighten the hoodie. Also, another feature is this Nike ACG vintage logo that they brought back this season around, which I really love and enjoy as well. And lastly, so as you can see right here, the kangaroo pouch in the front has two zippers on both sides to secure like the items you put in it, which is another super cool detail in my opinion. What I mostly like about this hoodie is the boxy fit, as I said before, that other Nike ACG garments have. And another thing is this bright royal blue, which I'm really into at the moment. It just adds a pop of color to your outfit. So next up, I got this button-up shirt right here, as you can see. And what's so nice about it is that it's a very breathable material, because they made it out of like this jersey type material. I think it's mesh, but however it's still super durable in my opinion. And what's my favorite part about it is all the pockets you can see right here in the front, and also it has like this metal thing right here to put your keys on it or anything that's like important for you not to lose. And yeah, it has a lot of pockets, reminiscent of a lot of vintage military wear, which I'm really into as well. And also on the back, it has this mesh opening where it keeps the breathability and all the airflow, and it keeps you cool throughout the summer season as well. Mainly this is a summer piece. However, you can wear it in the fall and winter season under you can layer it, you can put a hoodie under it, and style it however you like. And this fits into the Gorkor aesthetic, and that's what I'm really into at the moment as well. So I can style it many ways in my opinion, and it's just a solid piece. Also, I've been looking for a lot of button-ups. That's what I'm missing in my wardrobe, so this is a nice addition, especially with all the pockets in the front. That's all I got for the basic pieces. Now I'm going to be going into some accessories and jackets as well. So in terms of accessories, I got this crossbody bag right here. It's not from Nike ACG, but it's still a Nike piece, so I wanted to showcase it. It's as you can see right here, it has this long strap that you can put across your shoulders. Also, it has this little strap right here where you can hold it like this if you wanted to, with some zipper detail right here that you can put whatever you want in the back of the bag as well. Also, it has this clasp right here, and then a space to put your water bottle. I believe it has it on this side too. Never mind, so it only has it on this side, on the left side. And you know, it's in this nice colorway, brown and black, and it fits my wardrobe very seamlessly. Also, I needed some bag to carry around my laptop, my camera, and things like that. And I found this bag is like exactly what I was looking for. And you know, the size is not too big or too little. And it's something that, you know, was right up my alley, so I purchased it. Another reason I wanted to purchase this bag is because I have a lot of green, you know, clothing in my wardrobe, and this would go well with it. A lot of browns as well, and you know, neutral tones. That's what I'm going for the fall season and the winter season as well. Now, in terms of outerwear pieces, what I got is this, you know, Nike ACG jacket, and also this is my favorite piece that I got this haul. As you can see, it has the same object dye effect that the long sleeve thermal had, and also, you know, the front of it goes a little bit higher, so it covers up to your chin as well. It's not a full balaclava, but you know, that feature is also something nice. And you know, just a simple gray and greenish type object dye. So basically, I'll go over it again. What they did is dye it after the garment was sewn, which gives it, you know, this very nice look to it. A lot of brands such as Jakov by Jacob Wallace, which is another YouTuber, and also another designer that uses this object dye very often is BBS, and you can see his work through all the Salomon collabs with the shoes. Super cool in my opinion, and one day I will purchase one of those you know, Salomons, because I like the object dye, you know, look so much that I got this jacket for now. But anyways, the notable features about this jacket is what you can see right here is the Nike ACG logo. Now, I believe this is a 3M reflective logo, so whenever you put the flash on it, it gives it flashes and it gives it this nice look to it in the photo. And also, it has two pockets right here, and they both have a zipper on them, which is super, you know, useful in my opinion. The next jacket I got in this haul is basically the same jacket from before, but in a different colorway. So this one is in this like black grayish colorway, as you can see right here. It has the same features and it's the exact same jacket, but it's just a different colorway, as I said. Now it has you know, right there the Nike ACG reflective logo, and it has two zipper pockets on the sides as usual. And also, what I like about this jacket is the paneling, as you can see right there in the front, and also coming down to the jacket. It's something just different in my opinion. Also, this jacket is not very, you know, thick. It's more of a fall jacket than a really winter heavy jacket, because I live in Canada, and like during the winter season it goes up to -40, and if you wear this jacket you won't be, you know, warm enough, so you have to either layer it or get a thicker jacket. But I like this jacket so much that I got two different colorways of it. Maybe I'll sell this one down the line because I like the green one, you know, a little bit more. Also, in terms of sizing, I got a size medium both in this jacket and the other colorway, because these fit oversized and I wanted it to fit a little bit cropped, so yeah, that's why I sized down to a size medium, even though I'm usually a size large. That's all for the outerwear pieces that I got. Next up, I'm going to be showing you guys all the bottoms that I got, so pants and shorts. Alright guys, so what I got in terms of bottoms is this Nike ACG cargo black pants, as you can see right here. It might be too big for the frame, but I'll be putting B-roll, as I said before. Now, going over the features of this pants, so as you can see right here, it has a belt, which is super cool, so you can tighten it however you want. Also, right there on the right side, you have this metal toggle where you can put keys if you wanted to, and then a Nike ACG logo right there on the left side, which is super cool in my opinion. Going down, as you can see, the pocket placement is kind of different than usual cargo pants. It's not directly on the side, but it's on, you know, in the front of the thigh area, and it has an opening from here and also a zipper at the side of it. Now, these are not just pants because you can unzip them and they turn into shorts. I'll be showing that on the bureau, as I said. So yeah, that's what's super cool about this you know, cargo pant right here. Also, the material is super light and very breathable for the summer, and that's you know, the reason I got them for the summer season, and I did wear them a lot to work. Super comfortable, super flowy and baggy as well. Now for sizing, I went with the true to size medium, but I could have sized down to small if I wanted to, but I wanted this oversized and baggy look for the bottoms, so that's why I went with my true to size medium. But if you want a regular straight cut pant, I would suggest to size down. Next up, in the bottom segment, I got these Nike ACG shorts, as you can see right here, in this army green colorway. It has a lot of you know, the same features that the pants had, so the belt on the front and also the metal clasp right here, and the ACG logo right there on the left side, as you can see. But what's so special about these pants is, these shorts, I mean, they come with a lot of pockets. So on the right side there's a few pockets, and also on the left side there's one big pocket with mesh and a zipper as well. But that's not it for now. As you can see, there's even more pockets, a small one on the back. This one was my favorite one because it's so low key but it's so useful at the same time. But you can put, you know, a lot of small things in it. Also, the main two pockets on the side right here come with zippers as well to keep your stuff safe. This pair of shorts is also made out of you know, this mesh type nylon material, which is breathable for the summer as well. Very cool for hikes and things of that nature as well. You can go on runs with it, and that's what Nike ACG is for. So all condition gear is what ACG stands for. Just super cool in my opinion, and something I really enjoy from Nike is this line in specific. Alright guys, so that's all I got in today's haul. I have a quick suggestion for you guys. So if you guys want to purchase any Nike ACG items, I would suggest to wait for it to go on sale, because as you know, a lot of Nike ACG stuff is very expensive, and it does tend to go on sale because it's expensive and not a lot of people want to pay that much for a Nike ACG piece. That's all for today's video. Please guys, make sure to like, comment your favorite piece in this haul, and also subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping more consistently, so thank you and peace out guys.